So a car always tells a story, and in this case it's not a fairy tale. This 34-year-old Porsche is going to show us everything it has been through in the last 34 years. We're going to treat the bodywork, the wheels, but as is. We're not dismantling anything. Maybe the logo in the back to get some massive sanding going on there, but that's it. The car needs to be treated as is. No dismantling whatsoever. You see all these old, delicate surfaces. These need to be treated with the utmost care. Some of these parts may not be available anymore, so detailing as is going to be a challenge here. But not so much, because we get to use the products of Labocosmetica. All pro car and pro detailer. We're going to start with the wheels, and especially the shoulder of the tires. I'm going to use Ductile, our APC, in a dilution of 1:3.
The APC of APCs, a true APC with even the approval of Alcantara.
The wheels, a separate part of the car that has multiple different kinds of dirt contamination on the surface. Also sometimes very delicate. As you can see, this rim is not the youngest anymore, but we still have to respect the surface to be treated. In this case, I'm going to start with an APC. Why? Because the APC is an alkaline product. Now, most of you would think that alkaline is incoherent with something dangerous. However, this product reaches an alkaline level of pH 11 without any caustic ingredients. So any delicate surface that's susceptible for damaging is harmless when you use Ductile. It even respects the prior applied layer of protection, maybe a sealant or a ceramic. Now we want to clean the shoulder as the tires as well. This pre-cleaning or cleaning of the shoulder of the tires will enhance the dressing we're going to put on later. This is very important. When you're working with nanotechnology, the most important thing is to get the surface as clean and sterile as possible to maximize the bonding of the protection product that's going to be used, in this case Hydra.
An alkaline product with non-caustic ingredients, safe for every surface, safe for every single layer of previous applied protection.
Moving on to the second step of the wheels. We pre-wash with Ductile, alkaline but safe for every surface. Moving now on, iron removal with P-Ray. pH neutral, safe for every single surface, and respect the previous applied application of protection.
Highly concentrated formula, dilutable to 1:1 for maintenance, respects every single surface and previous applied layer of protection.
The main ingredient of this product is to dissolve any iron residue on the surface of the wheel. And a key point to notice when this product is working is when the color of a clear product is turning purple. And this is your key point to see the reaction of the product with the iron residue on the surface in this case. After that, I'm going to make a dilution of 1:3 with Primus to pre-wash the entire body of the car, inclusive of the wheels. Alkaline product, VDA certified, so safe for every single surface and every previous applied layer of application of protection.
An alkaline pre-wash with non-caustic ingredients, respects the surface, has a VDA A-class certification.
As you saw, I was preparing this foam gun with a dilution of 1:3. The reason I'm using 1:3 is that the end dilution, with the water running through, the dilution at the end here is 1:80. Pure product, my foam gun makes 1:20, 1:1, 1:40, 1:2, 1:60, 1:3, 1:80 for the body of the car.
Primus, safe for every surface, safe for every single previous applied layer of protection.
Use your foam blanket from the bottom to the top to get maximum surface time. A foam dilution has immediate reaction, however, it takes a little bit more time. So to maximize, work from the bottom to the top. And for the rinsing, exactly the same, bottom to the top. During the inspection of the car itself, I found a lot of bug impacts. After the 1:80 dilution of Primus for the complete body, we can still find some high impact bug impacts. So very high speed, a lot of bug impacts divided over the bumper and the front of the car, even on the windshield and the windshield wiper itself. So the use of the utili in this case is going to help me remove the bug impacts easy without agitation or touching the surface. Special thanks to Niels from Belgium for giving me this tip. I'm going to use the 1:3 dilution just to make sure that everything is gone and it will still be safe for every single surface. A very important part of the decontamination process are the windows. These windows can accumulate a lot of minerals and mineral deposits, even lime scaling. To get rid of the lime scaling, we're going to use Energo 1 to 5, agitate with a brush and then rinse off whilst we're still in the wet work phase of the detail.
Takes off the most heavy water spots with ease in seconds without any agitation necessary for the removal of acid rain, water stains, water spots and lime scaling.
We're going to move to the second stage of the 3 pH wash system. We're moving to the descaling from the mineral deposits and lime scaling onto the surface. We're going to do this with the use of a hand foaming system, the Nebula. Inside is the red nozzle to get some extra foaming there. The dilution I'm going to make is 1 to 10. Whilst the foam is on the car, we're going to wash the car with Semper with a dilution of 1 to 1000.
A novelty in the detailing world, an acid, non-corrosive shampoo, strong and powerful enough to remove any lime scaling and mineral deposits from your ceramic without affecting the ceramic. In fact, it will rejuvenate your ceramic, giving back the original beating as you had it from the day of application. Semper, an extremely highly concentrated neutral shampoo that has sequestering agents to break down lime scale for the forming of water spots. It capsules in the dirt, giving extreme high lubrication, reducing the amount of surface tension and thus risking to scratch the surface.
This mitt was designed to have a short microfiber side and a Chanel finger side. The short microfiber side, or the yellow side, is for the top of the car, and the microfiber finger or Chanel for the lower part of the car where the contamination is the most.